one of the oldest names in the industry is launching a widespread comeback. Favre-Leuba. Founded as an independent watch workshop in 1737 by Abraham Favre, Favre-Leuba is considered the second oldest Swiss watch brand. The Favre-Leuba name would first appear in 1815 with the involvement of Auguste Leuba, part of an esteemed family of watchmakers and merchants. Favre-Leuba has a rich heritage of mechanical watchmaking. In the 1960s, for instance, a period of tremendous success for the brand, it would introduce iconic watches such as the Bivouac, the Deep Blue, and the Sea Sky. Now, under the guidance of industry veteran Patrick Hoffman, Favre-Leuba is staging its grand return, and we'll be looking at one of the 3 new collections right here, right now. The Deep Blue takes us back to 1964, a time where dive watches became really popular. The 2024 Deep Blue collection is split into 2 lines, Revival and Renaissance. Renaissance means about 40% of the original design has been respected, while Revival pushes that to about 80%. So in short, you have either a vintage-inspired diver or a rather pure retro dive watch. Staying true to the brand's roots, the Deep Blue Revival takes its looks directly from the original watch introduced in 1964. That means we're looking at a pure retro diver of 39mm in diameter and 12.75mm in height. The stainless steel case is fully polished with a curved profile and a unidirectional rotating bezel. The black insert has a lovely vintage font with a luminous triangle at the top for a finishing touch. Now, the grey dial has a very fine sunray brushed finish with a crosshair-like design similar to the original Deep Blue. At 3, 6, 9 and 12 o'clock, the elongated lines of the beige superluminova are highlighted by polished double-hour markers. At every other hour, there's a shorter marker, also in beige superluminova. Now, time is indicated with a sword-shaped hour hand, arrow-tipped minute hand and arrow-tipped central seconds hand, all finished with superluminova inserts, of course. The date window at 4:30 has a polished and beveled outline. The final touches on the dial are the applied logo and white printed minute track and branding. Hidden under the solid case back is the automatic Le Joubert G100 movement. This runs at a frequency of 28,800 VPH and has a power reserve of 68 hours. No need to worry about taking a dive as the case is rated at a water resistance of 300 meters. The Favre-Leuba Deep Blue Revival comes on a fully polished stainless steel 5-link bracelet with a double folding clasp. Despite the fact it's uniformly finished, the faceted profile of the links give it quite some character. Overall, it's a very nice watch with a great size and a very appealing vintage design. Now, the price for the new Favre-Leuba Deep Blue Revival is set at 2,250 Swiss francs, which really sounds like a fair deal. For more info, reviews and videos, make sure to follow the Monochrome YouTube channel and check out our website. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys for the next one.